news broke about Tony going back after the World Cup, joining the New Zealand squad. He's made such a huge difference with this current Springbok attack, the way that he's working with the players, his mindset, and even playing golf with the guys on Thursdays. He's just been an absolute legend.
I know you're a man of golf. So how good is he when it comes to that? Is he like a sauce, a Franco Mostert kind of player, or is a social one like yourself?
Tony Brown, even though he's got like crooked fingers, like all his fingers all over the
Ah!
shop, he can still grip it and rip it, and he hits the ball well. I think as we said, like his meetings is only 5 to 10 minutes, but he does a lot of coaching on the run. Like he would work with the guys on the field, and I think even when he plays
Mm.
golf and he's with like Dwayne, and I think Dwayne or Don is like his golfing partner. There's a lot of rugby being talked in those scenarios as well, because it's not constricted to the boardroom. It's now it's in the open, and there's more time to talk about it.